Welcome to today's video. We're doing another Corksport install today. Big Corksport guy now. Corksport, if you want to sponsor me, please do. Anyway, we're gonna head to the shop right now and then we'll unbox the part I'm installing. It's in that box right there. It's really pretty small though. And then we'll throw it on. Okay, so in this box we got some air bubbles from China. Don't pop those. Corona 2020. Be safe, everyone. Oh, it fell out. Let me rebox it here. Hold on. I got a new Corksport bypass valve. I don't know exactly what the benefits are. I'll read it real quick and then figure that out, but this thing's pretty nice. It's way nicer than my other one. I'm gonna read through this and see what the actual advantage is, because I kind of just ordered it, not gonna lie. Okay, so I guess it just says it increases turbo life and is smaller, so cool. Let's go install this. Also, one more thing I got to go with this is this blue boost pipe. I don't know what this is called. Blow-off valve hose. So we're gonna put this blue one on because my other one's shot and it's got a little crack in it. So we'll have a nice new hose with a nice new blow-off valve. Just the small things. And I can bolt it up to my nice new top mount. Alright, so first thing I'm gonna do is do this blow-off valve pipe. I don't know if you guys can tell, but there's cracks. I'll show you once I get it off. It looks like you have to take this coupler off. I'm gonna try and do it without taking anything off, just because it makes my life harder and it's, yeah. And then next thing we'll obviously take off is this. I might have to get a new hose for this, but for now I'll leave it. Anyway, I'm gonna go get some tools and try and rip this thing off. Maybe I'll just cut it off. Yes! I just wanted all of you to know that I just got this pipe off without taking a single thing off besides the pipe. Alright, so this was the main crack I had. I don't think anything actually cracked inside, so it probably wasn't leaking, but it's something that you should probably go ahead and replace anyway, because it's not that expensive to replace. Majority of the time that I've seen, these have always been cracked. I think this might require a little bit of trimming. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go ahead and get this on, and then we'll figure out if we need to trim this at all. Pop this off. Perfect. Ow. I'm just gonna go ahead and take this off. Oh man, look how good that looks. And she's off. This thing's junk. Okay, so comparing these two, this one's definitely way smaller. Otherwise, I don't really notice much of a difference besides this fitting right here. This thing's super nice. Just rub it in. That is all in there. Get rid of that one. Put this thing on. Such an easy install today. I really am pretty positive this time that there will be zero difference that I've noticed. So maybe it sounds cooler. That'd be pretty lit. Okay, that's on there. I'm not gonna fully tighten it until I get the blow-off valve pipe on there, because I'm not sure if I'm gonna have to pull this off and get the pipe on first or what. Get these clamps. You guys are looking right in the hole right now. Now the fun part. Okay, this is just really stupid trying to do it with everything on there. I'm just gonna pop off this one clamp, pull this coupler off, and then slide this thing on, tighten it, and boom, done. I am gonna lube the hole so it's easier to get on. Okay, this was actually a major pain to get off, but it's off, so now this thing's all lubed up, and we can just shove her in. This thing 100% needs to be trimmed. It's just way too long. I'm gonna just send it. Guess here on how much to trim off. I'm just gonna go with right here. Somehow this has been a pain, but anyway, it is on there real tight. I got these clamps on there dumb tight. As you can tell, they're maxed out. That one's not maxed out, but anyway, those are on there. I just need to pop this. Just need to flip this around. Now we can get that on there, just like so. Seems like it's always the easy stuff that turns out to be the hard stuff. Got that on there. The key to doing this, guys, is to get yourself a little lube the hole, and then it literally pops right on, easy as can be. So now all that's left is to throw this cover on, and then we'll start it up. Make sure everything's good. Everything should be fine, and then we'll go for a little drive. So the speed is getting all Corksported out right now. Let's fire this thing up, make sure everything works. I didn't break anything. Ooh, nice little pop on the start. By the way, guys, the links for all this stuff will be down in the description. Before we go, I'm actually gonna clear this code Evap system leak detection. Don't know what that means. If you guys want to let me know, please do, because I have no idea what that means. It's P2402. I'm gonna go ahead and clear it. No more code. This little test drive going on. We're gonna go right by the Chevy dealership. So we're gonna see if they have any C8s. If they do, we're stopping and we're taking a peek. It does, whoa, it sounds different. It sounds different. It's like, that's the best. That's the best I can do. It literally sounds like, that's what it sounds like. It sounds dope. I gotta be honest, I didn't think it would sound any different. I don't think it's performing any different, but it definitely sounds different. Oh, it sounds sick. Cop. Oh man, we're good. Spool sounds way different. I don't know what it is. Made 19 pounds. Wow. And we smoked it up a little bit. Classic. Let's go see if the Chevy dealership's got any C8s. I'm not gonna pull in, I'm just gonna drive by. I do not see any. I do see a C6, I see a C7, and then I see a C5. Wow, they got all the vets out there today, except the dang C8. Chick-fil-A is right over by where I'm at, so I'm definitely going to grab some Chick-fil-A. We got a little tunnel action. This blow-off valve sounds so cool. Heck yeah. Wow, fat line in Chick-fil-A. We're gonna be in here for a little bit. At least I can really test out the CO2 sensor now, because we're gonna be sitting in a spot for like 20 minutes. Guys, I secured the bag. Their waffle fries are fire. Oh my gosh, I just drove by the dealership and they're pulling a C8 out right now. I'm not even kidding. I'm literally I'm turning around right now. No freaking way. Holy cow, I can't even believe it. Oh my God, there it is. There it is. No, it's pulling in. No! Oh, I just missed it, guys. It's in there. I would go look at it closer, but it looks like the guy's taking delivery. He's an older gentleman, it looks like. And I don't want to be that kid that's like, oh my God, a C8, and videoing it and stuff like that. Yeah, they're for sure taking delivery, I can see right now. But the high spoiler option, I have yet to see one with the high spoiler option. Absolutely insane. Like, that car looks so good. So good. Pictures do not do those justice. Wow. Enough of the C8, I'm way too hyped on it right now. I'm gonna go ahead and head back. So I got the GoPro and I cannot wait for you guys to hear what this sounds like. GoPro is somewhat secure in there. The cool thing about this blow-off valve is it makes so much noise at low RPMs too, which is really sick. So you don't really have to rip on it to hear it. That's what you're gonna hear in this little GoPro clip that I'm gonna throw in right now. Probably gonna end this video right here. Got the blow-off valve pipe installed, the new blow-off valve. Sounds sick. Hope you guys enjoyed. Corksport sponsor me. 5,000 subscribers giving away the front mount intercooler, so make sure you guys stay tuned for that. Yeah, follow me on Instagram, Speedburner. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Peace out. If anyone's made it this far, I think a Corksport turbo might be next.